Welcome to Agritech Marvels, your one-stop destination for exploring the latest technological advancements in agriculture. We're passionate about showcasing the incredible innovations that are transforming the way we grow food and feed the world. We believe that technology has the power to revolutionize agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and productive. We'll take you on a journey through the fields of the future, where robots toil alongside farmers and data analytics optimizes every aspect of the agricultural process. Tulips are admired not just for their flowers, but also for their bulbs. To enhance bulb growth, JVS Technique developed the triple topper unit tulip flower cutting machine, which accelerates the cutting process, making it faster and more efficient. The machine features a flexible height adjustment system, allowing the cutting depth to be tailored according to different flower regions, ensuring that flowers are trimmed while preserving plant growth. Vermeer's Bale Hollow Automatic Hay Collector has proven to be a valuable innovation in the hay harvesting process in the United States. Despite its compact size of 1.5 meters in length and 1 meter in height, it features object detection sensors that locate hay bales. The machine can simultaneously collect 3 hay bales and deliver them to the designated location as indicated on the control panel. The Beagleman Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks. Bulk printers are essential equipment in the printing industry, producing beautiful and high-quality products. Their design, featuring a rubber tip for printing on bowls of various sizes, is a captivating sight, making the printing process engaging and aesthetically pleasing. In a farm in central Wisconsin, the Bogal combine was born in 1921 as a machine dedicated to cucumber harvesting. Its cutting system utilizes specialized sawtooth blades to efficiently separate cucumbers from their stems. Subsequently, the cucumbers pass through 2 conveyors for cleaning before being transported to the storage compartment via another conveyor. The Challenger MT765C is a versatile and powerful crawler tractor produced by AGCO Corporation, a leading manufacturer of agricultural equipment. Its advanced track system, with heavy-duty tracks, provides superior traction and flotation on various soil types, allowing it to perform effectively in challenging field conditions. Dino is a remarkable robot designed to automate the garlic cultivation process. It can dig, sow seeds, water, and even weed, all while being equipped with sensors and smart systems to assess soil quality, optimize watering, and care for garlic plants. Damon is the largest pesticide spraying machine, boasting a spray width of up to 30 meters and equipped with misting pressure nozzles. The machine features a massive tank with a capacity of 17,000 liters, and all spraying systems are controlled from the operator's cabin. Moreover, the machine can adjust its height to suit different crop stages. The carrot harvester works by uprooting the carrots from the soil, removing the leaves, and separating them from other debris in the field. The machine is equipped with a series of blades or digging tines that dig into the soil and uproot the carrots. The carrots are then conveyed along a series of belts or chains where they are separated from the soil and other debris. This scene presents a wide variety of machinery, from excavators to levelers and cranes, with many CAT 789C trucks awaiting loading with soil. The Strawmaster X disc plow combines a gear plow and a soil pulverizing mechanism, utilizing a 350 horsepower tractor to ensure strong plowing even in challenging terrains. With an impressive width of 8 meters, the plow can operate for extended hours thanks to its endurance. With such a machine, planting potatoes turns into fun. With this technique, even a child can plant a whole field of potatoes and do it with pleasure. P&H Shovel holds a prestigious position in the realm of cranes and the world's largest excavators. P&H cranes, with a capacity of 240 tons, are mainly utilized in mining and railway construction. In New Zealand, dense pine trees necessitate the use of hedge trimmers. While this machine may seem simple at first glance, it is equipped with sharp blades that neatly prune branches wherever the blade is brought in contact. This results in immediate and precise pruning of pine trees. The CLAAS Selection 8700 harvester is a technological marvel, packed with advanced features and a high capacity. Its Combo Flex attachment allows it to harvest a variety of crops, including rice, corn, soybeans, and other nuts. This modern and well-loved machine is a game changer in the world of harvesting. This miniature hand cultivator is designed for tillage in small gardens or orchards. The handle allows you to comfortably hold the tool in your hand, and the teeth are used for loosening and weeding pads as well as for removing and harvesting weeds.